Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to DM on Mastodon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store, or of course go to the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. If you're having struggles with that, we have a separate video on our channel how you can do that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom left corner, as you can see, first tab, here you can go and find people to follow or manually search instead. We have the search bar. We have, as you can see, the new post where you can go and put new posts in the middle. We have, of course, notifications, and here we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and DM on Mastodon. So first of all, use the search bar to find users you want to message. So you have the search bar, and here you just need to go and find a user or go and click on a user like this. And then when you go to his profile, here you can go and click on these three dots here. And as you can see, you have multiple things. But of course, this person has to be your friend firstly. Then you just need to go and, as you can see, go to the user profile, click three dots and click direct message from the drop-down menu. Then enter a message in the text box and click publish to send it. Keep in mind that Mastodon DMs are not end-to-end encrypted, so be cautious about sharing sensitive information. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.